Hello, I'm Tara McCommons, Vice President of Sales and Marketing with Link Connector. And I, along with Toots Humphreys, Link Connector's co-founder, are very excited to be hosting the opening workshop on day 2 of AM Days at Affiliate Summit East on Wednesday morning, May 25th. This session will be focused on affiliate types, attribution, and optimization strategies. If you are an affiliate program manager or part of an affiliate program management team, this is definitely a session you won't want to miss. Toots and I will lead attendees through group discussion and healthy debate about affiliate promotional types and how the properties of each type can potentially drive value, attribution adaptions to best influence and support program growth goals, and optimization strategies of program KPIs. Attendees will walk away with a strong foundation on how to set up a program for success, affiliate diversity, and optimization strategies, not to mention new connections with industry peers and masterminds of all different experience levels. We invite you to register for this AM Days workshop at Affiliate Summit East and look forward to seeing you Wednesday morning, May 25th.